Hi guys, this is Eric. Today we're going to be shooting my Mossberg 590. This is it with the Surefire foregrip light, and it has the pistol grip buttstock with the shell holders on both sides, which I do like that. It gives you extra rounds, then plus the side saddle with it as well. But we're going to get it loaded up, and then we're just going to fire a few rounds out of it. And then I have another Mossberg 590 that I'm going to be shooting as well, that I think you guys will appreciate and like. So let me get loaded up and we'll go from there. We're gonna get loaded up. All right, firing the hole. All right, she's empty. Now, I like this one. I like this 590. It's a good looking gun. But I have another one that I want to bring out, another 590 that I really, really like. And you'll see why I like it. So let's put this one down. This is what I'm talking about. This is my other 590. It has a oscilloscope suppressor on it, and I love it. So let's see how she sounds. We're shooting the white target down range, and safety is off. Here we go. She's empty. That's a beaut. She's beautiful. Mossberg 590, oscilloscope suppressor, awesome setup. Guys, as always, be safe, stay safe. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing.